And when Apostle was ministering to people with eye conditions, I released my faith, and I believed that I would leave here with my eyes healed. And I looked up, and I could read the Dickies Arena sign. It was not blurry.
Yesterday, at some point during the service, I was healed. I didn't even notice it. And then after the service, I was checking myself. I almost sprained myself trying to check to make sure that I was really healed. And I can just move my leg. I've had no pain at all.
You think the spirits over America are that powerful? No. It is the powerlessness of the saints that has made the spirits causing mayhem. You believe me on that? Read the book of Daniel. You will see one man who used his passion and fervency held the spirits that control the Medes and the Persians. A parliament had to come up with a policy because a man's spiritual life became a threat to darkness. One man.
One last thing. We are winning souls for Jesus. Hey.